How to create a new Apple ID. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a new Apple ID on your iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta open any of the search engine you have on your phone, be it Google Chrome, be it Google, Safari, anyone. And once you have opened any of the search engine, you gotta go to the search bar and type in appleid.apple.com and then press go. So once you're into the Apple account website, you gotta click on this drop down over here at the top right. And here you'll be able to see three options: sign in, create your Apple account, FAQ. And obviously, if you have an account already, you gotta click on sign in. But if you wish to create a new Apple account, you gotta click on create your Apple account. So simply click on create your Apple account. Now here you gotta type down your first name, your last name, select your country, date of birth, and then you gotta type down the email. Now note that the email that you're going to type down over here, you shouldn't be having any other account associated with the same email. And then you're going to type down your password, confirm your password, write down your number, phone number, and then you're going to verify using text message or your phone call. So you're going to receive a text message or phone call on this number, and then you're going to verify that, and then you're going to type down this image over here. You type down the characters within this image, and then you're going to click on continue. So once you click on continue, and after you have successfully verified, you would be able to see that you have created an Apple account. So you can redirect yourself to the settings and then simply add that account. So before that, you could sign into your previous Apple account, and then you could sign out from that, and then you could sign in with this new Apple account that you just created. So that is basically how you can create a new Apple account. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.